In this video, we are going to see how to trace a program. Now the question is why to trace a program if we can run it on machine? We have got debugger also. We can debug it. There are debugging options available, debugging tools available. See, when we are taking a program, when we are getting a program from some other source, it's not our own logic. So to understand the logic and the trick used by within that particular program, we need to use this method. This method is usually effective in not only understanding the logic used in particular program or some extraordinary trick used in that program. It's not only useful for that, but also it can help us in understanding how program works, how particular programming language works. It can be done for even algorithms also. Now, take the example of calculating sum of first 10 terms of natural number series. It's a simple example that we are using here to trace the program. In this program, there are three variables available, I, n and sum. These three variables are declared in this program and they get a memory. Initially, I and n doesn't have any value, so you can consider it's undefined, while a sum is declared and defined, so it has got a value during declaration. So its current value is 0. After that, we accept the input from the user. We are asking the user to enter the number of terms. Then user will enter the value. That value will go into variable n. Now this variable n, which earlier was not defined, now it is defined. It has got a value 5. If we consider the input entered by the user is 5. Now we proceed to the next part where we calculate the sum. The initial value of sum is 0, the value of n is 5, and now our for loop starts with the initial value of I as 1. So for loop will start at 1 as the initial value and it will go up to n. Every time we check whether for the current value of I within a for loop is less than or equal to 5. If it is less than or equal to 5, we will continue adding the value of I into sum, because that way we will get sum of first n terms of a series. So we keep on incrementing the value of I, we keep on checking whether it is less than or equal to n, which means 5 here in this case, and if yes, we continue adding that value of I into sum. This process we continue till we reach to a final value of I which is equal to n. So if n is 5, I will be 5. So when I is equal to 5, then we have got a final value added into sum. That will give us sum of first 5 terms of natural number series. And when I gets incremented further, the condition I less than equal to n is not getting satisfied. So in that case, we come out of for loop, because the value of I is 6 now and the value of n is 5. So in that case, 6 is greater than 5, so we come out of it. The less than equal to condition is not getting satisfied. So our final answer will be 15, and this answer will be printed on screen using printf statement, and then our program terminates. So this is the way we can trace our program without actually executing it on machine.